Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. We are living through the most rapid climate transformation in human history. This is not a future threat. It is a present-day reality defined by facts, figures, and devastating consequences. To understand the scale, we must look at the numbers. Since the pre-industrial era, the global average temperature has already increased by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius. This fraction of a degree has driven this year, 2024, to be confirmed as the hottest on record, capping a decade of unprecedented heat. The reasons the cause is not debated in the scientific community. It is the human expansion of the greenhouse effect. The primary driver is the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, for electricity, transportation, and industry. This activity releases enormous volumes of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, or text, CO_2. Atmospheric text, CO_2 concentration has now surpassed 420 parts per million, ppm, a level not seen on Earth for millions of years. A secondary but significant factor is deforestation. Forests are vital carbon sinks. When we cut them down, we remove the planet's natural air purifiers and release the stored carbon back into the atmosphere. This land use change accounts for roughly 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions. The consequences of this trapped heat are immediate and compounding. First, the melting world. Arctic sea ice has been declining at a rate of around 13% per decade, and melting glaciers are feeding a rising ocean. The global sea level has been rising at an increasing rate, now threatening low-lying coastal cities and island nations with chronic flooding. Second, destructive extremes. A warmer atmosphere holds more moisture, leading to more intense rainfall and catastrophic flooding in regions like Western Europe and Asia. Conversely, the heat accelerates evaporation, causing prolonged and severe megadroughts and fueling record-breaking wildfire seasons across continents. Third, the impact on life itself. Climate change is a key driver of the sixth mass extinction. Ocean warming and acidification, caused by the ocean absorbing excess text, CO_2, are leading to widespread coral bleaching and threatening the marine food sources that billions of people rely on. Conclusion: the data is conclusive. The threat is global, but the story does not end in despair. We have the technology, from solar and wind to electric transport, to transition our energy systems. Securing a stable future requires a collective and immediate change in policy, industry, and daily choices. The window for effective action is closing, but the power to choose a different path remains firmly in our hands. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.